Assalamu alaikum, class 8th. I am your math teacher, Mrs. Itrat. Today we will do exercise 2.8. It is about cube and cube roots. What do you mean by cube or perfect cube? Perfect cube means 3 times multiplication of a number by itself. Look here. 1 into 1 into 1 is equal to 1. 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 8. 3 into 3 into 3 is equal to 27. That is, perfect cube of 4 is equal to 64. Perfect cube of 8 is 512. Or perfect cube of 10 is 1000. There are many numbers which are not perfect cubes. For example, 9, 12 and 15 are not the perfect cube, as we cannot find any number whose cube will be 9, 12 or 15. Let we know about cube roots. Cube root is the inverse of cube. That is, cube of 2 is 8, while cube root of 8 is 2. Cube of 7 is 343, while cube root of 343 is 7. Likewise, cube root of 1000 is 10. So we can say that cube and cube roots are two opposite terms. Here are some properties of cube. Listen them carefully. These will make this concept easy for you. Number 1. Cube of all even numbers are even. That is, 2 cube is equal to 8. Here 2 and 8 both are even. Number 2. Cubes of all odd numbers are odd. That is, 3 cube is equal to 27. 3 and 27 both are odd numbers. Number 3. Cubes of numbers ending in digits 1, 4, 5 and 9 are the numbers ending the same digits. Look here. 11 cube is equal to 1331. 14 cube is equal to 2744. 15 cube is equal to 3375, etc. Number 4. Cube of numbers ending in digits 2 ends in the digit 8. 2 cube is equal to 8. 12 cube is equal to 1728, etc. Number 5. Cubes of numbers ending in digit 8 ends in the digit 2. Look here. 8 cube is equal to 512. 18 cube is equal to 5832, etc. Number 5. Cubes of numbers ending in digit 3 ends in digit 7. That is, 3 cube is equal to 27. 13 cube is equal to 2197, etc. Number 7. Cubes of numbers ending in digit 7 ends in digit 3. That is, 7 cube is equal to 343. 17 cube is equal to 4913, etc. Number 8. Cubes of numbers ending in digits 6 ends in 6. That is 6 cube is equal to 216. 16 cube is equal to 4096 and so on. Number 9. Cubes of all numbers ending in a 0 will also end in 0. That is 10 cube is equal to 1000. 100 cube is equal to 1,000,000. Dear students, here I am going to show an interesting pattern formed by cubes. Look here. 1 cube is equal to 1. 2 cube is equal to 8, which is the sum of 3 and 5. 3 cube is equal to 27, which is the sum of 7, 9 and 11. Here 4 cube is equal to 64, which is the sum of 13, 15, 17 and 19. 5 cube is equal to 125, which is the sum of 21, 23, 25, 27, 29. And here 6 cube is equal to 216, which is the sum of 31, 33, 35, 37, 39, 41. Every cube of the next number is the sum of next odd numbers. It is 2. Its cube is sum of 2 small odd numbers. And it is 3. Its cube is the addition of next 3 odd numbers. Likewise, cube of 4 is the sum of 4 next odd numbers. Now question number 1 of exercise 2.8. Find the cubes of the following. Part 1. 6 is equal to 6 into 6 into 6 is equal to 6 cube is equal to 216. Number 2 part. 9. 9 into 9 into 9 is equal to 9 cube is equal to 729. It is very easy. So please complete all parts of question number 1 yourself. Question number 2 is, which of the following are perfect cubes? Part 1. 21. Its factors are 3 and 7. It is not a product of 3 times same number. So it is not a perfect cube. Number 2, 27. It is a product of 3 times 3. It is a perfect cube. Number 3, 48. Factors are 4, 4 and 3. It is not a product of 3 times same number. Hence it is not a perfect cube. Do all the remaining parts by your own. Question number 3 is to find the cube root of the following. Number 1, 1331. We use the prime factorization method here. Our aim is to reduce this number into prime factors. Here we have 1 at unit place, so we have to find a factor whose number at unit place must be 1. I think the number may be 11. Let's check. 11 121 is equal to 1331 and 11 11s are 121. Hence we have the factors of 1331 are 11 into 11 into 11, that is the cube root of 1331 is 11. Part 2 is 2197. Here the number at unit place is 7. We know that cubes of numbers ending in digit 3 ends in 7. So we select 13 to divide 2197. The quotient becomes 169. That is 2197 divided by 13 is equal to 169, while 169 divided by 13 is equal to 13. Hence the cube root of 2197 is 13. Do the remaining parts yourself. Now question number 4. Given that volume of cube is 64 meter cube, find the length of its sides. Here volume of cube is equal to 64 meter cube. Length of its side is equal to cube root of 64, that is cube root of 4 into 4 into 4. It is equal to cube root of 4. Okay, length of each side is equal to 4 meters. Now question number 5. What is the volume of cube having side 12 centimeter? Here the length of a side is equal to 12 centimeter. The volume of cube is equal to side length whole cube. Side length is 12. 12 cube is equal to 12 into 12 into 12 is equal to 1728 centimeter cube. Here exercise 2.8 is completed. Do question 2 and 3 of review exercise yourself and send me your work for checking. Allah Hafiz.